everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Dodge Dart. This is a true GT car. Pretty little car. Recent body up restoration. A little bit of a hot rod, man. Cool car. It's got a built 318. Automatic overdrive trans, 355 sure grip rear end. It's finished in Hemi orange metallic. You can see it's got the black GT tail striping, black vinyl interior. Really a neat car, and I'll tell you what, when you fire this thing up, guys, you'd never know that's a 318 underneath the hood. That thing hits a lick, got a nice little comp cam in it, and it runs strong. 18 and 17 inch Coys wheels with Kumho rubber all the way around it. Car's out of Kentucky. It's got the frame tied. It's a cool car. It's got a great look. You know, lots of options: power steering, power disc brakes, AC. There's a few little things you can nitpick out, you know, on the car. There's a couple little spots in the paint you can nitpick, but very nice, good car, good straight body, and like I say, a fun car to drive. It is a true GT. You see, it's got the sport hood. I wish that sun would pop back out. It's got a pretty metallic paint on it. See a little stone peck there. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Sits good. Good looking set of Coys wheels on it. Again, does have front disc brakes. A lot of options. Like I say, it's a fun car to drive, guys. Plenty of power. Again, it's got 340 emblems and everything all over it. I'm telling you, when he fires this thing up, you won't believe it doesn't have a built 340 in it. But it's got a nice little cam in it. It's actually a 318 Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Air gap aluminum intake, nice set of Doug's headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, does have air blows cold. It's got an automatic overdrive transmission, aluminum radiator. It's got a 2800 to 3000 stall converter in the trans. There's your original trim tag. Flex fan. Car's got a good look to it. Nitpick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Door handles are nice. You had to fix your striker. But now that the door's open and shut real nice. Bucket seats, console, steering wheel's in great shape. It's got some aftermarket Sun Pro gauges underneath the dash, all factory dash and gauges in here. 62,000 original miles on the car. It's got a all custom Kenwood sound system. It's got 3-inch X-pipe chambered dual exhaust system on it. 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end. Factory jack in here. They've painted everything black. Little spackle coat in there as well. These cars are body color. It's just got an amp with a I don't know what you call a speaker box in there. There you go. You kind of see that metallic now once that sun pops out. Pretty car. Like I say, got a good look to it. We got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Seats are nice. These are all recovered and repadded. That boy sounds good, man. Okay, just kick your air on, air works, it blows cold. Fun little car to drive. Boy, this thing sounds mean. Gauges are working here. No on the fuel gauge, Jay?
No.
We're gonna have to check that, guys. Other gauges are down here. Looks like your amp gauge is working up there, but we're gonna have to check on a fuel gauge here. Car sounds good, man. Radio works. Lower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Lower motor works. So the only thing you didn't want no on the wipers either, right, Jay?
Right.
No on the wipers, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That car's got a killer look, great sound. Have a great day, guys.